Aptera 1 electric car. The Aptera is the three-wheel, two-passenger solar electric vehicle by the startup Aptera Motors. It is a highly efficient battery electric vehicle with built-in solar panel on the roof and dashboard, and optionally on the hood and hatch, featuring 2 or 3-wheel hub motors, an estimated range of 1600 kilometers with its biggest battery pack. Aptera's efficiency is obtained by combining two factors: low drag aerodynamic and lightweight resin-filled sandwich-composite construction, significantly lower than any other production motorcycle or car. The 60 kWh battery version weighs only 820 kg. The company says its calculation and simulations show the resulting Aptera requires less than 100 Wh of energy per mile on the EPA combined city and highway test cycle, making it about 2.5 times as energy efficient as the quite efficient Tesla Model 3. Aptera's body contains very little metal. The majority of the body is made of carbon fiber sheets.